Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix fail to find Roblox process kernel injector error. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix fail to find Roblox process kernel injector error? Stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, to fix this, you would need to download and run Roblox process.exe or fix.bat with administrative privileges. Alternatively, you can uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from the official Roblox website instead of in the Microsoft Store. So those are the two main ways to fix this. Download and run Roblox process.exe as admin. You could find the website where you can get it, run the downloaded exe with admin, and then process to complete the command prompt. Launch Roblox game and check if the kernel error has been resolved. If not, method 2 is download and run fix over fix as an admin. Just find the download file, run it as admin, and let the process run in the command prompt until it's complete, and then play Roblox game and see if kernel error has been fixed. If not, you really need to uninstall and reinstall Roblox on your computer. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.